Falling in line with his promise to send back illegal immigrants, US President Donald Trump's administration flew out 104 Indian illegal immigrants in a C-17 military aircraft this week. The military craft made a landing in Amritsar on Wednesday, but what took internet by storm and shortly after was used by several opposition leaders in the country in taking on the central government, where pictures of the deportees' hands and legs being shackled throughout their journey on board the American military plane took the internet by storm. Several opposition MPs staged a protest in the parliament premises wearing handcuffs to condemn the alleged inhumane treatment of Indian nationals sent back on a US military plane. Now, the External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has pushed back on the opposition's criticism. He says that the practice of deporting illegal immigrants in handcuffs is part of the United States restraint policy, which has been in place since 2012. He also says that US authorities had not restrained women and children and that needs of deportees related to food and other necessities, including possible medical emergencies, were already attended to. The deportation of Indians from the United States is not new, and as per the ICE annual report of 2024, in 2019, 1,616 Indian immigrants were deported. In 2020, 2,312 immigrants were deported, an increase that was influenced by the pandemic-related travel restrictions and, of course, heightened enforcement. In 2021, 292 Indian immigrants were deported, a significant drop likely a result of the pandemic restrictions, reduced flights and slower immigration processing. In 2024, 1,529 Indian immigrants have been deported. That has, of course, been a marked increase in deportations. But what's important to note is that this deportation is, in fact, the highest since 2019. Let's also listen in to some reactions.
So the process of deportation is not a new one. I repeat, not a new one. Honorable Chairman, sir, we are, of course, engaging the US government to ensure that the returning deportees are not mistreated in any manner for deportation by aircraft used by ICE. That is effective from 2012. I repeat, that is effective from 2012. Provides for the use of restraints. This is applicable to chartered civilian aircraft as well as military aircraft. There has been no change, I repeat, no change from past procedure for the flight undertaken by the US on 5 February 2025.
So it's not just the issue of illegal immigration which the US administration is cracking down on.